welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a fall look, and I'm going to be using Jaclyn Hill Morphe Vault Collection. This is the palette. I don't know which one this is, but it looks like this. If you want to see how to get this fall look, then keep watching. I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. And I'm using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I've already primed my face, moisturized, all of that. Just so you know. I'll go ahead and clean around the eyebrows now. Make them look nice and sharp and I'm going to set my brows. And I'm using the e.l.f. one. It has a lash and a brow gel. That's the word I was looking for. With the Tape Shape concealer, I also prime my eyelids for the eyeshadow. I apply with my finger. So I'm just going to get my Coty Airspun powder. I'm going to set that concealer. This will prevent it from like creasing. If you don't set it, at least for me, I feel like the eyeshadows move. If that makes sense. We're going to dive right in. So this is the one we're using today. Gorgeous. And this is the Morphe M330. And I'm going to go ahead and dip into our transition shade. Well, we're going to start with Rush right here. So I'm going to go ahead, dip that. And we're going to start just applying that on the crease. I always like to open my eye and you see kind of where the brush falls in. And I just start doing wiper motions, circular motions, and I am gonna drag it not entirely like way down here, but I do want it to go towards my inner eye. Take this smaller blending brush, the M321, and I'm going to dip into Secret, and I'm gonna go ahead and deepen what I just did on the crease. Going back in with the same blending brush that I used for the crease, the first one, the M330, and I'm going back into Rush. Yeah, Rush. And I am just going to blend those two shades together very lightly. I'm going to take this flatter brush. I've had this forever that it doesn't even have a name or anything anymore. But I like it because it's like long and flat. I use this for my glitter or shimmery shadows. You'll see. So for the lid, I'm going to go ahead and do Boom. This one right here. I am going to go ahead and spray my brush with, I just use my setting spray. Just wet your brush, basically. I'm going to go ahead and dip into Siren right here. And I'm using my e.l.f. This is a blending brush. And I'm going to apply this on the crease again. And start off light. You can always build it up. That's what I do. I always want to start off light, make sure I don't go overboard. And I'm going to bring that in more. I was creating like a V here. That small blending brush that we used, the more precise one from Morphe, the M321, I'm going to go ahead and do my lower lash line. And I'm almost going to do the same thing I did for the crease. So I'm going to start off with Rush. Yep. Adding Secret and then adding Siren. Then I'm going to go ahead and mix Secret and Siren. I kind of bring it up like that just to make sure everything blends. Alright, now that we have both of our eyes done, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner. I'm gonna use the NYX liquid liner, and this dries matte. So I usually start off towards like the middle of the eye. Just like that. I also can't talk while I do this because I gotta concentrate. So we're gonna go ahead, and I don't want to do a huge wing. It's already a huge wing. Alright, I guess we're doing a huge wing. Like that. And then I just kind of bring it in with whatever's left. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply my eyelashes. My dual lash glue. This is the one in black, dark tone. I also have a tutorial on applying falsies. I'll link that below as well. Go check it out. Now my eyelashes are on, I'm going to go ahead and apply this nude NYX Wonder Pencil. It's light. And I'm just going to add this on my waterline. We're going to go ahead and actually move on to the face. Use my Shape Tape concealer. This is light sand. So cover any imperfections. My whole face is almost covered. Then we're gonna blend that. Once you look like a ghost, you're gonna take your foundation. I am using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. Love this because it has like a little spatula. Get your hair out of the way. And my sponge is wet, by the way. I forgot to mention that. We're gonna blend. I need to fix my camera because it's making me look really, really pale. And it's not like that. Okay. Well, I attempted to fix the settings on my camera to not make it so reflective. I think it worked, maybe. I'm not a camera pro, by the way, so I don't know what I'm doing half of the time. I'm gonna go ahead and set with my Coty Airspun powder. Dust off all that powder. Like, we're gonna do contour, don't judge me. This is a Clinique True Bronze Pressed Powder Bronzer. This is in 02 Sunkissed. I know, it's broken, but I like it, so I'm still gonna use it. Then we're gonna apply some lip balm. This is Smith's Rosebud Balm. Rose. It's delicious. Not like delicious you eat it, but it just makes my lips so soft. Also apply blush. This is Eyes, Lips, Face from e.l.f. I've also had this for a really long time. I'm obsessed with this one right here. There's no names for it. So I'm going to go in. And I use the Stipple brush from e.l.f. I think this is great for blush. Oh no, we have a problem. This was wet. We're going to take another brush because I'm just going to go ahead and smile. I start at the cheeks and then I bring it back. And I'm going to use this e.l.f. bronzy highlight. This is Apricot Glow. Sorry guys, I am rushing through this because I've been here way too long and my camera's about to die. For lips, I'm actually going to use this gloss. It's the NYX Vinyl. This is 03. Alright, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am gonna just do this outro real quick since my camera is gonna die. Let me know any other videos you guys want to see from me. Comment down below. Also, like this video if you want to see how I do the fake freckles. I have posted a picture on Instagram. I will see you on my next one. Bye. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Satisfying. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be on a fall, and we're gonna